In this video, I'm going to go over setting up a lead prospector campaign. Lead prospector campaigns are great for generating leads instantaneously from your SMS campaign. And upon reception of a keyword in that campaign, the lead is sent to a salesman or representative in your company, and also that customer can be delivered information about the product or service that they've gathered interest in. So let's jump into it and create our first prospector campaign. Click on Prospector, click on New Lead Notifier. We want to create a title. We're going to call it Cars. I'll jump back up in here so the tab appears here. Next we want to, before I get into it, for certain features inside of the prospector, it's the same as the keyword campaign, so refer to the keyword campaign. I'm going to get into the stuff that's required to set up a prospector campaign to work correctly. So we're going to describe our campaign messages, and in this case, if you're using shortcode, choose your country. That way it'll enable the shortcode to be able to be used for keywords. So I'm going to click on Save. Next we want to choose our phone number. Click on Update. Click on Save. And now we want to choose our office notification. We want it to go to one of our salesmen here. So we're going to put the salesman number in here. And this is the same functionality you've seen in the keyword campaigns and other campaigns for lead notifier. But we definitely want to actually use this inside of the prospector campaign, or the whole value of it is kind of diminished if you don't. So we want to put in our message of the lead information to the salesman. I'm just going to paste that in there. It's going to take all the merge tags, automatically fill it in with the customer's information. Click on Save. Next we want to add our keyword and messages. And you always want to make sure too, it's a good idea to use reply with name and email, because that's the kind of information that you do want to capture when it comes to generating leads. So for training on how to set that up, refer to the keyword training on reply with name and email. So we're going to come in here and create our keywords and our messages. Now we're representing a car lot here, and the keyword is going to be Chevy. And then if we have a short key keyword, we're going to have to purchase some short code keywords from our credits, or add keyword credits to our account and then acquire the keywords that way. But I'm not going to enter that now. I'm going to enter our text. So when that customer texts in Chevy, and let's say that this keyword is placed on the sticker of the car, you can just say thanks for your interest. So I put in the response, thanks for your interest in our Chevy Spree 5.0 car, da 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 da. We can say save 20% off the car, or get $500 towards your down payment. But that's part of the important part of the lead notification. The most important part is actually getting that lead. So as soon as that person texts in Chevy and they receive that keyword, that's going to be instantly sent to the salesman, so they can follow up with that customer. Say, hey, you like that Chevy on the lot, you like the Chevy Spree. Now, I'll go ahead and save this. Oh, let me go back. I gotta click Save here. And now we've added that as a keyword in one of our prospector campaigns. Click on Save. So any deal, or excuse me, any lead in this system is going to go to the actual office notification number. Now, we do have an option here. Instead of telling the customer to text in a keyword about a car that's on the sticker, we can attach a QR code to our advertising, and now they can just scan it and automatically propagate inside of their phone to send an SMS. All they got to do is just hit send, and that automatically be sent. Now, anytime a keyword, Chevy in this instance, is texted in, it's going to automatically add to the lead count here. And if we click on the lead count, I'm going to go ahead and text in Chevy so you guys will see. I just texted in Chevy, and if I click on the lead count here, we'll get to see in our subscriber report here how many people actually texted in the keyword Chevy. So we get to see the performance of that lead campaign in our usage reports automatically selected here for the results of the keyword Chevy. And like I said before, in the Prospector campaign and all these other campaigns from contests through the Prospector, there's certain elements like the reply with name, advanced campaign, notifier, logicals, triggers, advanced autoresponders, all that stuff is covered inside of the keyword training, so refer to that extra information and training in the keyword campaign. This concludes training on the Prospector campaign inside the SMS Gateway.